Hi, Tiki here, and in this video I will share with you how to create ad images that sell. So if you want to create ad images, or if you just want nice images for your fan page when you're running different ads or whatever else you're doing, I will today show you what I'm doing and how you can save money. So basically you don't have to go to the Fiverr or Upwork and hire freelancers to do it for you, but instead you can maybe take like 10 to 15 minutes and create your own ad images, and you can save a lot of money on that. Now, for example, if I go to Fiverr, I can hire someone who is going to make me ad image or a video ad for $25 to $50. Now, if you can do it yourself, you can save that money and instead use that for your ad budget. So let me show you. For example, this is just an example basic thing, right? I know that lots of people go to stock images to get free stock images. Now you can do that, but I would not suggest it, because sometimes people using that from Google and Facebook maybe get in trouble because of some things they do online. And then you can also get in trouble because Google and Facebook connects everything together. So if you want to create your own ad images or images that sell, let me show you how to do it in this video. So I'm using a software called Befunky, and here you can see I just used the free image that I found online that is actually free to use. And let me show you what I can do. So let's say this is for the manifestation, law of attraction, personal development niche, or whatever you want to call it, self-help. You see, I have the image here. So what I can do right now, let me show you what we can do here. So I will go to different effects. So let's say we want to change this image to look more appealing to the market, right? Now this can be totally okay image, but I will not use it. Let me show you what we can do here. Let's say we choose cartoonizer, and let me see, for example, this one option. Now see the magic that happens right now. Now you can see when we click this option over here, the image is going to change. It can take some time, but it's well worth it if you can do it yourself. You see, immediately it starts changing. So now you can change here to a little bit different, and you can click apply. It's going to change. Now I will show a different option, because you have really many different options that you can choose from. For example, you can add graphic, you can choose different effects. So over here you can see I will go artistry, and then I will choose another option which is digital art. Now I can do and choose graphic novel. So you can see we can totally change the perception, we can change the image. I can do it like that. See, I can then pull it down, apply. And another thing I can do is, you can see over here, you can go out under edit, you can change the background, you can also smoothen stuff out, or you can blur the edges. So you have really different options. For example, sharpen. Now you can sharpen the image a little bit and click apply. And then what I can usually do is, for example, let me go to different, you can add even text if you want to, but I would go under touch up, and you will see wrinkles. Now strength, we're gonna be more stronger. Brush size, you can change here, you see. Now you can make the image smooth. You see over here her hands, right? You can smooth it out so there is no wrinkles, so that people, when they see the image, it catches their attention. It's called pattern interrupt. They are scrolling through the news feed on Facebook, and when they see the image like that, they will stop. Now, of course, this is not the finished image yet, but I'm just showing you an example, and I'm showing this to my students as well, how they can create their own images, or also give them done for them video ads and images. Now you see, you can hide and make smoother hands, smoother body, so that it seems more nice. You know, it's nice for the eye, it catch attention. We need these eyeballs, we need the right attention from the market. So you can see we can just smooth it out, everything. Now you can change the brush size. For example, look at here, now her knee, right? I just make it smooth, everything more smoother, and you can take time to do that. You can smooth it out. And what I usually do with images, for example, you can see the difference right now over here on her shoulder and here on her hands when I hide the wrinkles, right? Now what you can also do, you have many different options here, is use the reshape. Now while I'm using the reshape, you'll see what happens. Let me show you. Look at her hand, right? Her arm. I can change her arm. Now you think this is crazy, right? Why I'm making her arm seem like she has some disability or something like that. You see, do something small, but it will catch attention, you know? You see, like maybe I can make her hand a little bit more thinner over here. So it's going to catch attention, you know? The person who is scrolling to the newsfeed, it's going to stop and think, wait, what is that? It seems really weird, right? But weird sometimes also sells. So you want attention from the right people, right? From the right market. Now you can do this by pattern interrupt. Pattern interrupt, it's something that catches your attention. For example, pattern interrupt could be if I give you my hand and instead of you shaking my hand, you don't touch my hand at all. Or maybe touch my shoulder. In that moment I would be a little bit shocked, right? Your brain freezes, like, what is going on? So this is what we want to create with the images on our ads, right? We want to create that pattern interrupt so people stop and think and click on that image to see what is going on, right? This is the first thing, getting the right attention. So you can click apply, you can do many different things, you can change things, you can change the background, right? You can make the size to be perfect, for example 1080 times 1080, that's entirely up to you. But I just want to show that you can do it yourself, right? There is many different options. You don't have to spend a lot of money to hire someone. And I also have done for you images. If you can reach out to me, I can give them to you for free. No matter what niche you are in, health and wellness, fitness, relationship dating, or make money online, or personal development, manifestation niche. You can do those things yourself. You see, you have even underpainting option. So if I click on underpainting 1, there are going to be major changes, but you can manage it by yourself, right? You can see here on the left side, I can manage it, how powerful I want it to be. So for example, like this, can I click apply? Now you can at the end then just click here, save, and you can save it as a project or on your computer, and that's it. That's done. Everything what you have to do. Now you can, of course, you can change the background, you can change the things, but that's it. You can do it yourself. You know, you have many different options. You can do mascara, you can reshape, you can paintbrush, slim down the person, make pattern interrupt, like I said. It's better to do it yourself than to spend a lot of money on freelancers, because otherwise you can use that money for ads. So that's it for this video. Now if you want more help with that or anything else, let me know below this video, and you will see at the top there is my Facebook and Instagram. So please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and also you can connect with me on Instagram. You will see at the top there is link to my Instagram on my YouTube channel banner. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.